Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalatu wassalamu ala rasulil kareem. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. La in shakartum la azidannakum rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri. So may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make it easy for you and me to learn and teach both, vice versa. So today our topic is in al-jumlatul fi'liya. We studied fi'l madi in past tense. Then we learned fa'il, zamir, pronoun, mustatir, which is hidden, or we were having a noun which we can say by appearance. We can see by appearance, so we can recognize it by its i'rab, like marfu. So it was, if it is marfu, so it is fa'il. Then we learned mafool. In mafool, we used noun which was apparent, and we studied different types of mafool, how to recognize mafool, how to use it. So mafool is always mansoob. So today we are going to learn that how pronoun is used in a verbal sentence as mafool. What is the location? What will be the position of pronoun? Where it will be adjusted? How it will be adjusted? So today we are going to see that. So today the sentences will be in Arabic. So you have to recognize fa'il, maf'ul. Then we'll convert into pronoun. Then we'll today learn about how to make a jumla fi'liya negative. We'll use nafi. Then we'll learn how to make ta'keed in jumlatul fi'liya. How we'll use it. What are the things we will use? So there are few things. They are very easy. Just there are few letters we will add only. Okay. So we will begin, and please, Ms. Rafia, call Smitha, Dr. Smitha.
Dr. Smitha, please come.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, Dr. Smitha. So Dr. Smitha, you are general physician or what?
I am a ENT consultant.
You are ENT?
By profession, but alhamdulillah, ENT consultant, ENT specialist, sir.
Oh, very good. ENT consultant.
And,
very good.
Ear, nose, throat, and alhamdulillah, after my PG, I did 3 years service in gynec and 1 year service in pediatrics. So in alhamdulillah, in village level, alhamdulillah, we see all the cases.
Oh, mashallah, very good. That's excellent. So may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make you specially useful person for the ummah in regards for health and with regards in Islamic education, Islamic learning. So I will just share a story with, not story, just a thing. There is a doctor in Pakistan. She is female doctor. So I come to know about her. Whenever some patient visit her, she is, when prescribing medicine, she is always giving her medicine, her patient an Islamic, you can say nasiha, how will say advice, Islamic advice also. She is always telling some patient, okay, read this surah, read this surah, you have to add this surah. And
alhamdulillah, I do that also, sir.
That is very nice. Yeah. That is very nice. So your ajr will be multiple.
Apart from that, I do Islam, you know, the Muslims who don't follow properly religion, like they wear, girls wear like a boys pant and shirt, they do fahish and all this, all I keep on messaging them that this is not allowed in Islam and all. I keep on messaging. Deliver the messages.
That's very nice. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give you ajr. So we always remember, we all have to remember that it is our duty to guide others. And we also have to stop ourselves also. First, we are speaking to ourselves, then it is also a duty that we have to do nahi anil munkar. So
alhamdulillah, sir, if we follow means, then we should propagate the same message, sir.
But there is a scholar.
It is not worth also.
But there is a scholar. There is a scholar. He said, if you are indulged in something wrong, then you should give dawah for that thing too much. You understood?
No, sir, I didn't get.
For example, a guy is listening music, okay? So, and he knows that this is a sin. He knows that.
Yes, sir.
He knows that this is a sin. So he should tell others not to listen to the music. This is haram. He said why he should do that? Because when he will do that, then maybe someday these words or lines will strike his mind. Oh, you are doing by yourself and you are stopping others. So he has to do it also. Okay?
Yes, sir. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay, we'll continue. Please read the sentence.
Daraba Hamidun Khalidan.
Very good. So tell me the file.
Okay, sir. Daraba is fail, Hamidun is file, as it has got Marfu, and Khalidan is a Mafool, as it is Mansub state.
Very good. So that's how we'll recognize file and Mafool. Very nice. Now today we are going to learn that for the Mafool, how we will use pronoun. So just tell me this Khalidan, if I want to replace, just tell me for the Khalidan. Don't give me any answer. Just tell me Khalidan. If I want to use a pronoun instead of Khalidan, which pronoun I should use from Mansub?
Mansub. So the pronoun in Mansub will be attached pronouns like who, huma, hum, ha, huma, hum. So it will be as a masculine it is and a singular. So it will be who.
Very good. Now I will explain other things. Okay. Now read the sentence.
Darabahu Hamidun.
Very good. So now what happened? This Zamir, which we converted this Khalidun to pronoun, this pronoun is attached with what? With fail, with verb. So this is very simple thing. Okay. In Quran, in Hadith, with the verb, if you find any kind of pronoun, so always remember this is Mafool. Okay, sister?
Okay, sir.
This is Mafool. So in that case, the Mafool will come before fa'il. In that case, Darabahu Hamidun. So what I will translate for Darabahu Hamidun?
So it is Hamid beat him. It will become him.
Very good. Before Hamid beat Khalid. Now Hamid beat him. Okay. Next sentence, please read.
Darabul waladaini.
Okay. Tell me file and maf'ul.
Here, Darabu is a hidden file, sir. Hidden file mustatir for plural.
So what is this file?
The file is whom, sir.
Whom. Very good. File is whom. Okay. What is maf'ul?
Al-waladaini is in mansub state, so it is maf'ul.
Very good. So how to translate darabul waladaini?
Darabu means beat, so it is plural. They beat the two boys.
They beat the two boys. Okay, very good. Now I want to use pronoun in place of al-waladain. So what pronoun I have to use?
As it is the musanna. Dani daini nasab. So huma, sir.
Very good. Huma, attached pronoun. Huma.
Huma.
So the sentence will be what?
Darabu huma.
Very good. Darabu huma. So please observe what change happened in the transition period.
In there is a plural, so there will be a alif and waw. We have to give importance. But here there is alif is dropped here.
Very good. When any pronoun is attached with this construction, which is masculine, okay, third person masculine plural construction, then this alif will be dropped. So we have to attach directly with darabu. So the sentence will be darabuhuma. So now translate that sentence.
They beat both of them.
Yeah, they beat both of them. Very good. Now read the sentence.
Sami'atu Khalidan wa Maryam.
Okay.
Here, Sami'atu, it is hidden for first person I.
Very good. I. Ana.
Khalid, Ana, file. Khalidan wa Maryam is Mafool.
Very good.
So,
translate.
This whole translate. Sami'atu. I listened. Sami'atu means Sami means listened. I listened to Khalid and Maryam.
I listened to Khalid and Maryam. Okay, now I want to use pronoun in place of these both nouns. So which pronoun I have to pick? I have to pick.
Sir, it is a dual also, and male will be dominant, so it is common for both huma. So it is huma, sir.
Very good. So it will be huma. What will be the sentence now? Please read.
Samiyatu huma. Samiyatu huma.
Okay, what will be the meaning?
I listened to both of them.
I listened to both of them. Very good. Now read the sentence.
Samiyallahu muslimina.
Okay, what is fa'il and maf'ul?
Fa'il is ismu Allah, jalala, ismu
Lafzul jalala.
Al-muslimina is maf'ul.
Very good.
Jalala is fa'il. And al-muslimina is maf'ul.
Now, if I want to use pronoun in place of muslimina, so which pronoun I have to pick?
Muslimuna, muslimina, plural. So, whom, sir?
So, how the sentence will be?
Sentence, Sami'ahum.
Sami'ahumullahu. So just to connect, we will use what? We'll use dhamma. Just for connection only. Okay, Sami'ahumullahu. So what will be the translation for both sentences?
Translation is for first sentence, Allah listened to the Muslims. Here Allah listened to them.
Very good. Okay, next sentence.
Fataha Zaidunil Abwab. You told to add noon.
Yes, Fataha Zaidunil Abwaba. Okay, tell me the fa'il and maf'ul.
Fa'il is Zaidun and maf'ul is Abwab.
So translate the sentence.
Zaid opened the doors.
Very good.
Babun,
now,
plural, sir.
Which pronoun I have to use in place of abwab?
Abwabun, it is abwabun, plural, door. Plural door, plural of Gair Akil. Is that rule applied, sir?
Yes, it will be.
So feminine means who it will be masculine? Feminine is ha, sir. Ha.
Yes. So the sentence will be
Fataha
Zaidun.
Fataha Zaidun.
Okay, very good. Now next sentence.
Sami'at Maryamun Nisa.
Okay.
Maryamu is fa'il An-Nisa'u is Mafool, and Maryam listened to the women, plural.
Very
So
good. So,
Nisa'u is plural, so it will be ha, huma, hunna.
okay, then sentence
Sami'at,
will be
Sami'at hunna,
Sami'athunna
hunna
Maryamu.
Maryamu.
Very good. Excellent.
Sentence Maryamu.
Last sentence read.
Darabu Khalidan.
Okay.
It is Darabu. It is hidden. It is mustatir, hidden sentence. Darabu means beat. They beat Khalid.
Okay, good. Now translate into, use the pronoun.
Pronoun Khalid will be who, sir. So Darabu who, sir.
Darabuhu. They beat him. Very good. Now we will learn that if I want to use, I want to make sentence negative, like he, you know, in English, how to make sentence negative? Just first we'll do that. Like I'll say, I looked at you. So if I want to use it at negative, how I'll translate?
Negative. I looked at you. I did not look at you.
I did not. What? Your English is much better than me.
I did not. No, sir. I did not look at you.
Yeah, your English should be better than me because I'm not an English speaker. So I did not look at you, because when you use did not, then you have to bring the first form, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now we want to make this sentence negative in Arabic. So in Arabic, only single thing. You will bring ma nafi, and there is no change except the meaning. So read the sentence.
Which one, sir? This Darabahu Hamidun.
Last, it is appeared on the slide. Read.
Acha, acha. Ma Darabahu Hamidun.
So translate.
Hamid did not beat him.
Hamid did not beat him. Very good, excellent. Okay, the next sentence, please read.
Hal darabul waladay.
So now we want to make the sentence question. So hal mean what? How you use hal?
Means what?
No, how will use? What is the meaning of hal?
Hal. Sir, hal is an interrogative noun, sir.
Yeah, interrogative noun, yes. So change it to
its
interrogative.
Meaning, sir? How?
Darabul waladaini. What does it mean? Darabul waladaini.
Darabul waladaini is they beat the two boys. Sir, hal meaning, sir?
You don't know? You did not study in Jumlatul Ismiya?
Interrogative 9, hal means when we use hal, we should use lam and naam.
Yeah, but that is the answer. But what will the meaning?
It will be interrogative, na Smita? Like, did he do something? Did he go there? Like,
did they beat the both boys?
Okay,
Dr. Smitha, got it, sir. Your English should be much better than me. I told you.
Inshallah, sir. Inshallah, in coming days.
Yeah, you have to look on your English also. Okay, you have to teach us. Okay, hal darabul waladaini. Very good. So did they beat the both?
Did they beat both the boys?
Okay. Now you all the students have to note that we brought ma, and we brought hal. There is no impact on the sentence, just the meaning change. Okay, the physically in the
Yes, sir.
there is no effect or no change in sentence. Okay, so now what does it mean,
Yes,
mata?
sir. Mata means when.
Yes, when. Now translate the sentence.
Samiyatu huma. I listened to both of them. So when you listen to both of them?
Yeah, when did I listen to both of them?
When did,
Okay. So next sentence, please read.
it's not kad samiyahumullahu.
Yeah, kad sami'ahumullahu. Now this kad.
Allah,
So I will tell
Allah
you to make jumlatul fi'liya past tense for ta'kid. See, in jumlatul ismiya we used what? Inna. Okay, but in past tense we
yes,
use
sir.
qad. Qad sami'ahumullahu. So the qad bring one change. What is the difference? I listened to Khalid and I have listened to Khalid. What is the difference between both sentences?
Sir, I listened to Khalid is just normal listening. I have listened to Khalid means it bit proving that he definitely listened to Khalid.
No. The difference between both of them is the time period. I listen to them when I don't know. Maybe it's very past. It's past. Like say you can say months ago or 2 months ago or a year ago. There is no time limit. I have listened to them. It means I listened them just nearby. So the time period is you can say how I'll say in Arabic. This thing is called ba'idun and qaribun. So qaribun mean I just listen them. Okay, so one thing in the meaning. Second thing, we'll use word indeed. Qad sami'ahumullahu. Indeed, Allah has listened them. Indeed, Allah has listened them. Okay, this is qad. There's one more thing you will read in Quran. Laqad. Okay, this lam is also lam taqid. Okay, and second it is called jawabu qasam.
Okay.
Jawabu qasam mean the qasam, the oath which has been hidden. Like it could be that wallahi laqad sami'ahumullahu. I take oath that Allah has listened them. Indeed, Allah has listened them. So these both are used for taqid. So the meaning I already explained to you. So I want to call one student if she want to come because she can tell us that these things what I explained in English are right or wrong. So Miss Pat Galler, can you come?
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi.
Sorry, I'm not well. But yes, everything you said, the English was correct. Yes.
Thank you very much. Why I call you? Because I think that maybe you are the right person to correct me.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Kind.
Okay, so we'll continue our lecture. So qad sami'ahumullahu. In some translations, you will find a word verily, indeed. So there are different types of words are used when they are making translations. Okay, so Dr. Smita, next sentence, can you read?
So not displayed, sir.
Yeah, now.
No. Hal fataha Zaidun. Zaid opened it. Did Zaid opened it?
This is a question, sister. Hal fatahaha Zaidun. Okay, so your style should be questionable.
Yes.
Did Zaid open it? Your accent should be in a question way. Okay. Hal fatahaha Zaidun. Very good. Yes, you answered right. Ma samiyat Maryamun nisaa. So what does it mean?
Ma samiyatu Maryamun nisa. Maryam did not listen. Maryam did not listen to the woman.
Very good. Very good. Excellent. Okay. Now, the same, all the things I already explained to you. Now, this is the practice. Sharibal awladul ma'a. Okay. Any other student want to come? Please join us. Miss Nadia, next student. Miss Nadia, I think left. Okay, Miss Rafia, can you call?
Yes, sir. Nuzat Riaz, please come.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Alaikum salam. Okay, read the sentence, please.
Sharibal awladul ma.
Okay. What is the file? What is Mafool?
File is awladu means the plural. This awladu is file, and ma is Mafool.
Why we'll call file? Because it is with rough condition and al-ma.
It's marfu and Mafool is mansoob.
Very good. So we want to use pronoun in place of ma. So which pronoun I have to bring?
Third person masculine, sir?
Yes. Who? Sharibal awladul ma'a. So the sentence will be sharibahul awladu. Okay. So what will be the translation of sharibahul awladu?
The boys drank it.
Very good. The boys drank it. Now, next, read the sentence.
Sharibtul ma. I drank the water.
I drank the water. So now the change. Can you read?
Sharibtuhu.
Yeah. Translate.
I drank it.
I drank it. Very good. Okay. Read the sentence.
Hal sharibuhul awladu. Did the boys drank it?
Okay. So, next sentence, please read.
Ma sharibtuhu. I did not drink.
Very good. I did not drink it. Next sentence.
Tabakhatil bintul khubza.
Yes.
Means the girl. Tabakhati means tabakha. Tabakha meaning
cooking, cooked. The girl cooked.
Cooking. Okay. The girl cooked the bread.
Yes, the girl cooked the bread. Now we change. Please read and translate.
Tabakhatihul bintu. The girl cooked it.
Okay. Sorry. This will be silent here. Tabakhathul bintu. Okay. Tabakhathul bintu.
Tabakhathul bintu.
Okay. Next sentence.
Kaifa tabakhatihul bintu. Kaifa means
again. See, sister. Again, this will be silent now. Kaifa tabakhathul bintu. Kaifa mean how.
How
the girl cooked it.
How the girl cook it.
Yes, very good. Now read the sentence.
Kasara tullabun qalaman.
Okay,
Students broke pen.
very good. Kasarahu tullabun. Okay, we'll say some students. Okay, because it is nakira. Some students.
Yeah, nakiras. Some students broke it.
Okay. So now read.
Mata kasarahu tullabun. Mata, when some student broke it.
Very good. Okay, now. Okay, next student, sister Rafia.
Yes, sir. Alia Bashir, please come.
Yes. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Okay, please read the sentence and translate and tell me fa'il and maf'ul.
Ma darabahu al-ustadh. The teacher did not beat him. Al-ustadhu is the fa'il and daraba is the fi'il and who or is the maf'ul.
Okay.
The teacher did not beat him.
Very good. Okay, next sentence.
قد شرحه الأستاذ المجتهد. Indeed, the hardworking teacher explained it.
Very good.
Al-Ustadh al-Mujtahidu is the murakkab idafi and it is the maf'ul, sorry, fa'il, and sharahahu is the fi'il and who is the maf'ul. Who might be referring to any lesson which we don't know, but it is who is
Yes.
the maf'ul. Qad is the to say exert about pressure or say like ta'keed, that indeed because we use it for jumla fi'liya, like in jumla ismiya we use inna, here we are using qad.
Okay, very good. Read the sentence.
هل نصرك المسلمون الصالحون. Hal is the interrogative sentence. Hal, sorry, a word. Did you help the righteous Muslim? Nasaraka.
No, sister.
Ka is
Sister. First of all, pick the file. Who is file?
yes. Fa'il. Fa'il is ka.
This
Ka
is
is
file.
the file and Muslimuna.
This is file. Sister, this is file.
No, sorry. No, Nasaraka is the no, so this is the maf'ul. Muslimuna salihuna is in halat is marfu. Muslimuna is marfu and Muslimuna salihun being murakkab idafi is a whole as whole is the fa'il and Nasaraka.
Murakkab tawsifi.
Sorry, murakkab tawsifi, not
no problem.
tawsifi. Yes, murakkab tawsifi, not yes. Because it is yes, because this salihuna is the idafa of Muslimun and
Not idafa, sifa.
hal nasaraka did sifa. I'm sorry, sir. It is the sifa of al Muslimun.
Yes.
Hal did the righteous Muslims help you?
Yes.
Hal nasaraka al Muslimun as-salihuna.
Excellent. Okay. The next sentence, read.
Ma darabana al-ustadhu. The teacher did not beat us. Al-ustadhu being marfu, it is the fa'il and daraba is the fi'il. Na is that means nahnu is the maf'ul.
Very good.
Become darabana when it will yes.
Next sentence.
Mata darabuhu. Mata darabuhu. Mata when darabuhu. Daraba is the fi'il. Who is the متى ضربوه. When did
they
did
beat
he
him?
no
When
did
did they
when did they
beat
beat
him?
him. ضربوا is they. Yes.
Yes.
ضربوا is the فاعل and who is the مفعول. When
Very
did they
good.
beat him.
Next sentence.
إلى أين ذهب. Where are you going. إلى
No.
means to
أي
towards
إلى أين
where are you
ذهب?
going. No, him ذهب. Towards where is he going. ذهب is because
Not sister
واحد
going. The
مذكر غائب.
past tense. Where did he
Past.
went?
Where did he
went?
go.
Oh, where did
Yes.
he go?
Where did he go. Did he
Okay.
Sir, go. Yes.
No
Where did
problem.
he go.
No problem. Okay. لقد حفظ خالد درس الأستاذ. So here we can see lam will say jawabu qasam, harfu ta'keed, and qad also used for ta'keed for indeed. حفظ خالد درس الأستاذ. Tell me the fa'il and maf'ul.
حفظ خالد. خالد is the فاعل. درس الأستاذ is the لقد حفظ خالد درس الأستاذ is the مفعول.
Maf'ul. Okay.
خالد is the
Good.
فاعل.
So translate.
Indeed, Khalid learned the lesson of the teacher.
We'll say learn
or memorize the
we'll
lesson
say
of the teacher.
Memorized. Okay.
Memorized.
ما ضربتم خالدا.
Indeed, Khalid memorized the lesson.
You all
ما
did not beat
ضربتم,
Khalid. Okay.
did
Now
not beat
here I want
Yes.
to tell you something. When I want to use now Damir in place of Khalidan with this tense, what I have to do, I have to use who, right? But before using who, I
Yes,
have to add one wow. Ma darabtumuhu. Okay. This wow we have to bring additional. So you will find examples in Quran also. Ma darabtumuhu. So this wow we have to bring additional, and then we'll use dhamir. So this is the normal for the second person. For masculine plural, when we have to attach pronoun as maf'ul, we have to bring wow with this meme. قَدْ نَصَرَهُنَّ اللَّهُ. Indeed, Allah has helped them, like them women. Okay. Now, مَتَى ذَهَبَ خَالِدٌ إِلَى الْمَسْجِدِ. Okay, I have to tell you now one new thing. Always remember, we learned Khalidun fa'il, and if in the sentence anything mansoob, it is maf'ul. But anything which is jar majroor, what it will be called? So it will be called muta'alliqu fi'l. What it will be called, sister?
متعلق فعل.
Yes. ذهب خالد إلى المسجد. خالد فاعل. إلى المسجد متعلق فعل. So متى ذهب خالد إلى المسجد. When did the Khalid go to masjid? Okay. Shakara lillahi. Now in this sentence also, this lam harfu jar, it is coming jar majroor, so it is muta'alliqu fi'l. Shakara lillahi. He thanked Allah. But remember, there are few verbs in Arabic language. With them, harfu jar is fixed. So this verb shakara, so it will always come with lam harfu jar. Shakartu lillahi. Or if I want to say that I thanked you, so I will say shakartu laki. Shakartu laki. So this lam harfu jar is fixed with this verb. Daraba Hamidun Khalidan bil hizai. Hamid beat Khalid by what? With the shoes.
With the shoes.
With the shoes.
A shoes.
This is muta'alliqu fi'l. This is fa'il, marfu.
متعلق بالفعل.
This is mansoob, maf'ul, And the new thing is متعلق فعل ضرب حامد خالد بالحذاء. So as maf'ul can be more than one, so the same the muta'alliq fi'l can be more than one also. So inshallah we'll read it the next lecture. Sajada Adamu lillahi. Adam prostrated to Allah. So the fi'l sajada also always come with the lam preposition, lam harfu jar. Whenever you'll see this this verb is used in Quran, you will observe lam. To whom will prostrate will come as lam. So in the world, in the universe, we will only prostrate to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So this one example I brought, that this noun shakara, it can be used without lam also. It can be used, but it is not used mostly. 99% it is used with lam harfu jar, but it can be used without lam also. So inshallah, the next lecture, in the next lecture, what we'll do, we'll practice from Quran and Hadith some of the past sentence. So alhamdulillah, up to now, your basic verbal sentence is complete. Basic verbal sentence is complete. All the construction, which is related to the basically with the verb in past tense especially, it is almost alhamdulillah completed. Now we are in a position to do examples from Quran and from Hadith. We can get examples. We'll bring it. We'll bring them here inshallah. So I'll bring those examples here, and inshallah we will do a practice like we were doing now inshallah. So I will announce when the next lecture will be. So with the same lecture, we'll study Medina. We'll start studying Medina Arabic book inshallah bi'idhnillah, which was stopped from long time. So we'll inshallah restart. So jazakumullahu khaira. Will Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make it easy for you, me, and everyone. So from me, it's fi amanillah.